Hello everybody, I just learned something new today. This is a key to a Ford Transit van. It's a 250 low roof van. It's got the high security key HU101 with the remote locks and unlocks. Anyway, so I was making some keys today, and I thought, well, I didn't want to carry this giant bulky thing around all day long when I was locksmithing, so I decided I would make this key right here, which has got a chip in it, and then this key right here I would keep in another pocket. It's just an emergency key, same thing. It's HU101. But anyway, so I thought I'd make more copies. I've got two copies actually. I got this copy and this copy. Now I got this copy and this copy. So I found it kind of interesting. I thought I had to program these in and everything. Well, I thought, you know what? I'm gonna test this thing out and see if it'd work. It would start with this emergency key. Well, guess what? I'm going to put this in here. I can find the hole here. There we go. Alright, turn it on. Okay, the doors are open, so it really doesn't matter. But anyway, I'm going to start it up. It started, it's running. There's no warning lights, except for I don't have my seatbelt on, but it doesn't say no key detected. It's running just fine. So I just thought that was interesting. On a 2018 Ford van, the Transit, low roof Transit van. It's just a cargo van. And I don't know if it makes any difference or not, but it used to be a U-Haul. And so maybe they didn't equip them with transponders because people lose their keys all the time. That could be. Anyway, I just thought that was interesting. So if you folks out there that are wanting to make separate keys or extra keys for your car or your van, your minivan, maybe this one right here, or even something like this, a little bit smaller than the big old fat remote head. Because honestly, I mean, how easy it is to just reach down and push this lock button and it locks all the doors when you're getting out of the vehicle. That's what I was used to before, so I'm not used to all this fancy gadgetry and all the lock and unlock and blah blah blah. So anyway, I just thought that was interesting. So if you have one, try it out. Have them cut you an emergency key. This is for a, I don't know, Volvo or something like that, but it's the HU101 emergency key, VOL, I believe it is, for Volvo, but it still works, as you can tell. So that's it. That's all I have to say. K&S Locksmith Service, out.